YouTube, what's happening with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy L baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green. And you know we go back like 2 flats on the Cadillac, baby. Appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking out with the channel once again. Now, if this is your first time over here, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy. Hey man, ring that notification bell. And also hit that like button and share this thing too, man, so it can help the channel grow. We're on the road to 3K, man, and I can't get to 3K without all y'all help, man. So y'all make sure y'all do that. And most of all, bruh, it's free 99. It don't cost y'all nothing to do that. So please, y'all make sure y'all do that. Now, y'all see the title. Y'all probably see the big smile on my face. And if you follow me on Instagram, I know you was waiting on this one. But I finally hit on another pair of Kobe's, man. Now, everybody that know me, they know I'm a Kobe guy. Kobe was my favorite NBA player of all time. Kobe's near and dear to my heart. And bruh, to have an OG Kobe finally, well, the new one, because I never had these before, but to finally have it, man, I'm excited. I'm really excited, y'all. I don't know what else to say, but let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. All right, now I see Nike put the Steal-It tape back on it. Now when I got my Kyries, the Kyries ain't had a just Steal-It tape on it. So Nike, what's up with that? Luckily, I was at the crib when these got delivered, so let me get my keys, and we gonna open that thing on up, man. Y'all just saw how I pulled that off. I ain't even need my keys. I'm gonna use that to ship some other stuff out. But here we have it, man, another Kobe box, Kobe Protro. Ooh wee. Bruh, when I tell y'all I'm excited about these. All right, the label reads, Kobe Protro. The color is Del Sol Black Metallic Silver. Size 12, personal size. Retailing for $180, so it's like $190 something after taxes. Let y'all see that, size 12. If it focus, let it focus for y'all. If it didn't focus, my bad. But oh man, bro, I'm too excited, man. Ooh, look at him. Hey, got these Bruce Lee things. Ooh, these look perfect. Oh my God, bro, these joints fire, boy. God. I wish I would have hit on the white and black pair too, but I ain't gonna be greedy. You know, I'm glad I got just a dub. That's all I'm saying. I'm glad I got a dub on these. So let's go ahead and get into the review. All right, man. So we got the Kobe Protro Bruce Lee. Now these were originally released back in February of 2010, I think it was, and it reselled for, and it retailed for $130. I said resale because I'm thinking about paying the resale price on those alternate Bruce Lee, but I don't know. I got the OG. I think I'm gonna stick with this one. I'm gonna try to double up if I can. I don't know. We gonna see. All right, this pair is specifically inspired by Bruce Lee. He had on the yellow jumpsuit, and that movie, I think it was Game of Death. I always get Game of Death and Enter the Dragon mixed up, but I think it was Game of Death. If y'all know, let me know in the comment section below, but I really think it was Game of Death. All right, now back in 2010, we know Kobe was heavily inspired by soccer players and just soccer in general. Soccer was like his second love. And like I said, these came at a time where low tops weren't the norm as basketball sneakers. And I think the Kobe 4s and the Kobe 5s started off the low top versions of Kobe's, and a lot of NBA players wearing low top sneakers anyway. So definitely the 4 and the 5, it paid huge homage to soccer players and low top basketball sneakers. All right, now as we look at the toe box, we can see the toe box has different sizes of the perforated holes. Like the perforated holes on the toe box are different sizes. I don't know what's the reason for that. I'm trying to figure out this pattern, but I don't think that pattern on the toe box really symbolizes anything in particular. I have to look that up, but I don't think it symbolizes anything, at least to my knowledge. All right, the lateral side of the toe box has the 4 scars that were inspired by Bruce Lee's movie Enter the Dragon. And I think on Enter the Dragon, that was the one, like I said, I always kind of get it mixed up, but I think that was the one he fought Chuck Norris at the end, a young Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris and Bruce Lee were best friends, so in that karate game. I love me a good karate flick. All right, staying with the lateral and the medial side of the sneakers, you can see the fly wire along the upper on the medial and the lateral side. So let y'all see the fly wire. That fly wire is really supposed to be invisible. The fly wire is, we do have a black Nike swoosh. Got a black Nike swoosh that's outlined in metallic silver. And heading into the heel cup. The heel cup is black with a red Kobe signature on that. All right, now I'm not gonna take the insoles out, but I know the insoles, they supposed to make like Kobe's face on this, like the 2-4 with Kobe's face, so I will not take the insoles out. I think I could just go ahead and give y'all a quick on foot look at these. I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to put these on foot, but I'm definitely gonna give y'all some B-roll on these joints. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that B-roll. Y'all let me know in the comment section below, did you hit on the Nike app for these? If you didn't, are you willing to pay the resale on these? As a Kobe fan, I'm glad I hit on these. These are only the second Kobe's I've hit on since they started re-releasing Kobe's. And I'm kind of confused about the Grinch 6 date. Is it this year? Is it next year? Like, a lot of these places ain't really making no sense, but I don't know. We'll see, man. We'll see. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about these, man. I like these joints. Y'all know I'm a Kobe guy already, so really don't matter what I think, but I want to know what y'all think. But anyway, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. And as always, sending everybody love, peace. When all this beef, put some chicken grease on that thing. Gone.